Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about what is domain and range from a graph. I'm going to be explaining a problem here. So first of all, what is domain and range? Like, what do they do? A domain is basically what goes into a function, and a range is what it comes out, the output of this function. And what we're trying to find here, the domain and the range in this graph. So let's begin. So we could start by what is the domain. As you see, there's the answer already here, but I'll explain how I got the answer. So what is the domain of f, which is here? So we go to this point, which it shows right here, and we go down to where it goes to the x column, the f column, my bad. And we see it's 9. So now we go to the end point, it goes to -9. And then here it asks what's greater, and 9 is greater than -9, so that's how you should put it. It always matters the way you put it, because if it's -9, you will get it wrong if you put it in the wrong space. Alright, so now we have to find what is the range of f. So f parentheses x, function and output. So which is y, and what we find first is we look at the points. So here, this is the furthest. We look at, okay, it would be 6 and -7. This goes all the way to -7. So 6 and then -7. Now we check. Correct. So sometimes it is a little difficult. I do want to say this. You want to do you don't want to look by the point. Sometimes there's a round, but it does go as a point. You want to go from highest and then to lowest, because as you see here, so like there's a point right here, but it's not all the way there, so it's not right. I could go by this point. It could be 5 and -7, but it's the highest points that you have to look for. That's how you can find the range. If I put 5 -7, I would have gotten it wrong. Let's do another problem. Okay, here we go. Now you see the more round, because they're all different. So let's do the y column first. The range. What is the range? This is the range. So we first see, okay, 9. That goes straight to 9. Now we go all the way down. Okay, -8. So it's 9 and -8. So 9 is greater. And then -8. Oh. Okay, we found the range. Now we have to find the domain, and by finding the t column. So here we see this is the only point for the t column, and it is at 6. And then for here, as we can see, it is -6. Okay, so let's go there. 6 and -6. Check. Nice job. All right. So again, here, as you can see, there's a point here, which is what I counted also, and then here, I could have just put negative. I could have put wherever it goes here, -3, but it's not the highest point, so you can't choose this. If this was going up like this, like around, and it was higher than this, I would pick that. I might have sounded a little confusing, but yeah.